Greetings, motors! Welcome to today's video. As you can tell, you see a poor little Hummer. The Hummer H1, or to say, wasn't going to be converted into something interesting. Well, let's get started. Shall we? Okay, keep the Jeep in the shot. Never mind about the stuff upstairs. As you can tell, the Hummer's a little on the hitch part. You know why I'm pulling you over today? No, sir. For being an idiot, how you drive. Typical you. What do you mean? I know how to drive. No, you don't. As you can tell, you see the taxi dropping someone off, and they just did. Whoa, check out that for a difference. It's got the cannon parts on top, it's got Hot Wheel wheels. I know it's orange, but still. Let's do our comparison. What we started with, well, is that. And this is what we transformed it into. Pretty awesome, huh? Thanks for watching.